Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious French toast sandwich with ham, green onions, spinach, and cheese. And we're going to use our large 12-inch skillet to do it. So let's get started. Yeah, we need to put this here where you can see it better. Anyway, we just cracked 3 eggs in the bowl here. Preferably without the shell. Got him. Now we just beat them up. Add a little salt. Tiny bit of pepper. Some garlic. Beat it up. Add a little bit of green onion. Add a little bit of spinach leaves. And we'll beat that up. Now we'll just set that aside. Got a little piece of spinach leaf. And we'll set our burner to medium-low. And we'll let the pan heat up. Now we just add our egg to the pan. And we're going to dip our bread. Just like that. And we'll just put a couple more onions on the outside here of our French style toast here. Put a few spinach leaves. Alright, that looks good. Don't matter if they fall in there, they're all the same. Just pat them down a little. Alright. Now we just cover that and let that cook a minute. Okay, let's give it a check and maybe we can tidy up our egg a little. Okay, let's cover that. Alright, let's see if we can flip that over. That's going to be fun, but I think it's doable. There you go. Alright, now we put our piece of cheese on each side. Put our ham on this side. Spritz it with a little more onion. And some more spinach leaves. Now we'll just cover that and let that cook a little bit. Alright, let's see if we can flip that. Ah, yeah. Didn't stick too bad. Look at the size of that sandwich. Okay. Let's see how it turns out here. You're seeing this in real time here, you know. That was a big, like an omelet, spinach omelet with green onions, but it was really big, 12-inch. So it won't fit on the bread, but we don't mind. We'll eat it just like that. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All right, now all we have to do is plate that up. All right, let's plate that up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that sandwich. French toast sandwich with ham, green onions, spinach, and cheese. And that is all gooey inside. That's going to taste really good. The egg's really big. Okay, now all we have to do is clean up our pan. Yeah, while the pan's still a little warm here, we can actually just put a little bit of oil in there. And that stuff just wipes right out. Nothing really sticks, as you can see. Don't stick. Put a little more oil and just wipe it out. So it's like you're ready for next time. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious French toast sandwich with ham, green onions, spinach, and cheese. And it's going to be tasty. All right, we're going to have to get into that. We'll cut this in half. Let's see how it is. All right, let's give it a little taste here. Oh, yeah. Look at the cheese. You got to look at the cheese. Oh, man, does that look tasty or what? Oh yeah, this French toast is different and really tasty. Well, there you have it, guys. Man, is that good. Man, if we keep making them this good, I'll never clean up the kitchen. That sounds normal.